So we are here now, and then we have access to our database, Firestore. We can fetch data, and we have .env. So let's go and grab all the blogs. So in index.js, we're going to grab everything we have in blogs collection. First thing first, I'm going to change this one to the class. So go here, class index. So I think we need to import React, and React, and then here we're going to just do the components, and this bit is going to be a render method. Return and this one, and we're going to just export this one as a default. Export default. We don't need this one anymore. Good, so it should work, and let's just wait for this one to. Okay, we haven't changed anything specific, so we don't see anything different. I don't think we need this bit anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. We don't need this one either, so I'm going to wrap everything in a div just in case to not mix up with the head. So pasting it here, component page, and I'll give a class, the main class name container. So everything should be centered. And so come back here, go to the index. I'll just ignore this bit because we don't need it anymore. And from here I need also Firestore because you're going to work with the Firestore. And so let's see. We have the get initial props function, so let's use it then. Static async get initial props. Good. I am going to just maximize this one to not be distracted with every errors behind the scene, and then close this one. We'll have more space. So I'm going to look in a Firestore dot collection. The collection I'm looking for is blogs, and then I'm looking for to get everything. From there I'm going to check every document we have because it returned promise. So document set, and if there is a document set, we're going to say document set dot for each doc So we need to save all the documents we have, and I think I'm going to just do it here. So create a data or blogs. I'll call it blogs. Blogs. It's an empty array at the moment, and then here I'll go and do blogs.push, and then we're going to add an object. So we need the ID of the blog, which would be 123 in this example, and then everything comes from comes from here, comes from this doc. So it will be doc. And in order to get the data from it, so it will be data. That's a Firestore method. Doc.id, and when it's done, I will just return logs. So this return will be from here. After this one, because we are going to get initial props, so we need to just return it. Return logs equals logs. So we can use a shorthand. The shorthand would be this one. So now if I go here, render method, I should be able to use it very quickly. So in a div, I am going to just create another div, and then inside div, I'll go to the this.props.logs. So we're going to map it every blog, and every blog will be quickly. So just will create li. So there will be li, and then it will be blog.title, and also we need to pass the key, so it will be key, and we can use the ID in this case. So if everything is right, we should be able to see the output. Of course, because it is a promise, so we need to wait for it. Let's see it now. I'm going to refresh. Yes, we have it now. So if I come here and get rid of this one, now we should be able to see it. And there we go. So we have everything we need. I don't think we need a catch here in this case. And also I don't think we need this one. I think this data can be blogs, and then this one would be blogs too.